Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, bringing you another unboxing. This time it's an Apple Watch Series 5. Now I've been holding off buying an Apple Watch for years, but when I got my mom a Apple Watch Series 3, I saw how useful it was for her because she gets notifications and she was able to track her activity. So I finally bit the bullet and decided to get one for myself. What I have here is the Nike Apple Watch Series 5 Nike Plus version. All right. So I got it from the Apple Store. Anyone wondering where's the best place to buy an Apple Watch? It should be at an Apple Store because service is really top notch. All right, I'm gonna share with you the unboxing video so that you will know what you will get should you decide to get one for yourself. All right, let's take it out of the packaging, and here is the box. So the Nike version I believe has a different way of packaging, as you can see here. What I got is the silver aluminum with the pure platinum, the white Nike sports band. Everyone else has been rocking the space gray. I wanted to be different, so that's why I got the silver aluminum. All right, let's open it up. And right away, there's a tab here that I can just peel off. That's what I like about Apple products. They make it so easy to open up. There you go. And the other thing different with this one is, there's a tab here that if I open, let me see. Okay, there you go. That's awesome. Whoa, look at that. That's awesome. Can you see that? It has an outer packaging with Apple Watches with different bands. And two. Okay. Oh, so they separate the band from the actual watch. That's great. So let's take a look at the watch first. So this is the first time that I will ever open an Apple Watch. So voila. Oh, I got it the other way. Wow. Packaging is just great. There you go. So let's take a look at this. So you have the watch with what looks like a felt pouch. This is the magnetic charger, and that's the plug. And these are, information on how to start things. That's great. Okay, to get started, put it on and whatever. Yeah, different languages. Oh, what an experience. So that's the reason why I got the Nike version. I wanted those extra watch faces. And you're not paying extra. It's the same price. So it's great value because you get all those exclusive watch faces. Nike watch faces. All right. Let's take a look at the watch itself. Oh, look at that. Nice pouch where the Apple Watch is. Let me take it out gently. Okay, pulling the watch out. There it is. Beautiful. There you go. I went with the silver one. It looks great. All right, so that's that. And this is the magnetic charger, the charging pad. That's exclusive for the Apple Watch. And also you have your regular plug. All right, let's take a look at the strap. Okay, again, there's an easy peel. Yep, I just peel this off. So satisfying. And to open it up, I don't want to ruin the packaging because I wanted to be able to sell this in the future. There's even a tab that when you pull it out, Apple Watch. Yeah, it shows the instruction on how to use the band. There you go. It comes with two size straps. This is for the ones with larger wrist, and this is for the smaller wrist. That will be for me because I have a really small wrist. How about we put it on? Okay, this is the first time that I'm ever gonna do this, so you have to bear with me. So the white sports band is white with holes, and black inside. That's for the Nike sports band. Okay, so to put it on, yeah, this I'm left-handed. I'm gonna wear it on my left wrist, so I believe you just have to slide this on, and there it is. Now I need to put this one. I hope I'm doing this right. Yeah, there's even some straps there. Ah, awesome. There's an exclusive Nike brand there. Okay. Sliding it on. Oh, no. Maybe I have to do it the other way. Yeah, sliding it in. Ah, and it clicks too. Oh, that looks really nice. So that's the difference. If you can see, the Nike version has that Nike brand. And how does it look on my wrist? It looks great. Yeah, that's awesome. There you go. So that's my unboxing video of the Nike version of the Apple Watch Series 5. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this watch, how to operate it, I'm sure there are a lot of videos on YouTube where you can watch it. I just wanted to share with you the unboxing version of one. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you like this video or any questions. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!